My name is Spencer Wilmore. I'm the sales manager here at Streetside Classics Dallas Fort Worth. Been here for 8 years. We have 55,000 square foot facility here. We can hold a little more than 300 cars at a time. Right now we sell about 50 to 60, even 70 plus a month right now. The most popular cars that we are selling right now are going to be the Mustangs, Chevelles, Camaros, Corvettes, a lot of the traditional muscle cars. We definitely see a lot of resto mod builds, a lot of cars with modern drivetrains. A lot of people like the old school look with the modern amenities, modern drivetrain. Dallas Fort Worth was #1 store last year. So far this year again, we're the #1 in sales. You come to Streetside Dallas Fort Worth, we've got cars up here in the front office area. We've got a warehouse filled with cars out there. We've got 3 salesmen on our sales staff that are happy to greet you and help you with anything that you're interested in. We also get a lot of people that like to just browse. You're welcome to come and look around and browse, and then if you need help with anything, we're here to help you. A lot of people think of Streetside Classics as having only traditional classics, but we actually get a lot of late model specialty vehicles, Shelby Mustang GT350s, late model Corvettes, C8s. We get a lot of those in as well. If you are looking for something specific and you don't see it on our website, we get cars in every day. So what I always like to suggest to folks is on our website we have a vehicle request form that you can go on and fill out. It takes a couple minutes. That way when we do get something in, we can see that you're interested in that and we can let you know if we have something here. If you want to give us a call, you can reach us at 817-764-8000. We're also online, streetsideclassics.com. We're all over the internet, so feel free to reach out to us anytime.